Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cryptomator with OneDrive step by step. Combining Cryptomator with OneDrive lets you encrypt your files before they're uploaded to the cloud, giving you an extra layer of privacy while keeping your data synchronized across all your devices. So let's get started. First, install Microsoft OneDrive on your computer and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure your OneDrive folder is syncing properly before you begin. It's a good idea to wait until there are no pending sync tasks. Next, open Cryptomator and click Create New Vault. When you're asked where to save the vault, choose a location inside your OneDrive folder. Give the vault a name, create a strong password, and complete the setup. Store your password safely because Cryptomator cannot recover a forgotten vault password. Now, click Unlock and enter your password. Cryptomator will mount the vault as a virtual drive or open it as a folder, depending on your operating system. This unlocked vault works just like a normal folder on your computer. Start saving or copying your files into the unlocked vault. Cryptomator automatically encrypts every file before it's written to the OneDrive folder. OneDrive then uploads only the encrypted versions of your files, helping keep your data private while it's stored in the cloud. Whenever you need to edit your files, unlock the vault first, make your changes, and save them normally. After you're finished, return to Cryptomator and click Lock Vault. Then wait for OneDrive to finish syncing before turning off your computer or opening the same vault on another device to avoid synchronization conflicts. And that's it. You now know how to use Cryptomator with OneDrive to securely encrypt, store, and sync your files while maintaining complete control over your privacy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next